Yep.
Make your belly into jelly. Take a deep, deep breath in. Give it all the way out. And just relax. Very good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Your face is all red. That Irish is coming out of it.
That was awesome.
Did you feel it crack all the way?
I did. Oh, you got stuff that I felt and where I could tell pain radiated from. So I know that it moved. Man, that felt great.
Woo. Still kicking.
Oh, wow. And I didn't feel any low back pain.
No back pain.
Yeah.
Wow, babe,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
It feels weird because I feel like I'm walking right.
How's your headache, so?
I don't feel the pain anymore.
The headache's been away?
Yeah. Like I don't feel that tension right